After getting the compass of the best player in the Windstorm SMP, I traveled few dozen thousand blocks to there. This time, I might beat him and become the new best player. Wait, is his house here? I'm not sure this was the best player's house, so I give it a check. Where is the lodestone? Wait, what? I can't believe this was actually the best player's base. How do a best player live in such a small place? What the heck? Oh my god! What is this? A TNT trap? Oh my god! Are you serious? Oh buddy, this place was completely getting destroyed. What the heck, bro? What's happening?
Today is your last time on Windstorm SMP. Enjoy it.
You are the best player? Let's fight, bro. Oh my god. When I fight with him, I instantly realized that my skill was not enough to beat him, so I quickly running away. After escaping, I decided to train with the leader of the abandoned kingdom again. And this time, I will be training harder. Hi bro, I'm back.
Oh, you are back? Did you defeat him?
No bro, not even closed. So I still needs your training.
Okay bro, let's start.
Wait, this time I want you to use your netherite sword and I was just using the wooden sword.
What the heck? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure bro.
Okay, but I highly suggest you to be careful.
Yes, I will.
Okay, let's start then. Bro, your PvP skill was very great, but if your enemy is a more skilled player, I don't think you can win.
Okay, bro, I think your skill was just a little bit lower than the best player. If I train with you for a month or something, I think my skill will be extremely good.
Okay, I will train you. And if you put your proficient stuff and integration my proficient stuff together, you might be beating the best player.
Yes, bro, I think so. Let's start to training.
Bro, your PvP skill was improved fast. Now I think you can even beat me.
No, bro, you still get more hit at the last training.
That's because your sword was the wooden sword, no knockback. So I got more hit. Let's try the netherite sword then.
Yes, bro. After this training, I'm gonna challenge the best player again.
Bro, now you can completely match up the best player. Go for it. I support you.
Thanks, I must become the best player this time. This was the best player right now I'm gonna kill him. Brother, you are really get cooked this time. Oh, buddy, you are getting cooked. Right now I finally beat the best player. It's so easy, bro. What the heck? Bro, really think a warden can kill me? Not even closed. The snow mountain was beautiful. Wait, what's that? Oh my god, TNT again. Bro really think his strategy was good. After losing to me, then summon a warden and set this TNT trap, not even cause any damage to me.